Hello guys, welcome to Kamari Technology. So today I have another indicator which is about manufacturing PMI in of the United States. So you go to the link that I give you in the description below. Click on that link and change your location. I'm sorry. Change it here. So where is your location? You change here. For me it's +7 here Bangkok. So the event we released today at 21.2145. So you click on this above one. Okay, so scroll down. Yeah. So it's the United States Manufacturing Purchasing Manager Index PMI. Yeah. So the previous is 47.7, forecast is 46.2. So if it release below 46.2, it is good, very good, yeah. But if it release between 42.2 to 47, it is a little bad. But if it release above 47, it is very bad, above 47. So that's how to check the PMI in United States. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, easy, short. Hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for more and more.